Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be doing a little bit of a modification to the interior of our F150 STX for the rear seat. So this is what we're going to be installing. Now, here's the problem we're having. So there's some storage you can get to behind the seats here. Now, in order to move the seats, you can just pull this thing and lift up. Easy peasy. On this side also, if you wanted to get behind the seat, you can just pull this, and the seat folds down. This is the latch mechanism that when you're pulling, operates this. So you may be saying, well, what the problem is then, Hollywood? Well, that's this side. Let's go over to this side and show you what's really going on. Okay, boys. So on the suspicious side, you're going to notice there's no thing to pull here. So you can't just pull this down. There's a technique. So, you can pull this. That's how you lift this part up. Right? When you do that, that should give us a little bit of room for you to see what's going on back here. So if you peek down here, you see this? This little nipple popping out of here is how you unlatch this. So, what you currently have to do is feel back here for this thing, lift up on it, unlatch it, and then your seat can come down. So, it's kind of a shit show, because that's what you're working with. And now, how do you put it back, you say? Well, you have to lift this up, lift that up, and then kind of tilt this back, and then lift the seat back up, and then kind of push on it till it catches, and pull down, and it's a freaking horror show. So what we're going to do is install that thing we just saw. Let's see, I couldn't even get the latch right there. But that doesn't matter, because we're not going to have the problem anymore. So we're going to attach that thing, and make it much easier to get in and out of the back, and I have to go through this huge rigmarole that's such a chore, I can't even get it latched back at the moment. Okay, boys, and as you see, a T30 is what holds this bracket on here. So we need to remove it so we can install the new hardware and make life not suck so bad.
Well, very important that these bolts don't fall down in there, because you will not get them back out.
So keep that in mind, boys. Don't lose your bolts.
That's the bottom pit of death, right there. Not coming back out.
Yeah, if we go down there, you're going to have a bad time, boys.
You'll be screwed. This bracket will come off. Like say.
Alright, here's our new hardware there.
Go back on here, along with this strapper. So this goes on top, and then that nipple. So you want to make sure that there's enough play in it, because if you tighten it, it'll clamp those two things together, and it won't move up and down. So once we put the bolts in there, we will adjust the tension.
Alright, very good.
So you gotta put this. Oh crap. I don't know about that thing now. What the hell? Do I just smush that back in there or something like that? I guess that's what we'll do. You have to push that back in.
Do we have to, or will it hook in this little?
It won't, because the plate's there.
Ah.
See what I mean?
Yep. Alright, swishing in progress then. Be right back, boys. Okay, boys, so after some modification now, she's flush, so she'll fit right over there on our new bracket. See over here, Hollywood Hornets Custom Fabrication. We do quality work. Look us up on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
Beast. This is my swing size. Put that in there.
Guess she's giving it a little yank to lock it in place, right?
Yep. Well, this one has enough play no matter if I tighten it or not, so it'll be good. Hopefully.
Alright, boys. Moment of truth. Does she work?
Through here.
Maybe.
There it goes. Okay. Alright.
Okay, boys, so after a bunch of freaking finagling, now she's locked in place. So now, to get back there, instead of reaching your hand back there, boom, you have a nice strap. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And it's locked back in place, see? None of that fiddling around like earlier. So, why Ford didn't put this in there from the factory? Probably to annoy people. So, you know, buy the aftermarket. Where'd you get this thing, by the way?
eBay.
eBay.
I'll send you the link.
Alright, so I'll maybe put the link down in the description below if I can find it.
And it's fast shipping.
But that's how you do that. So you know, a couple minutes to do that mod is going to save you many hours of struggling throughout your lifetime. So that's it. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.